Salut, c'est Marie de Just French It. Welcome in this new episode of Vendredi Vocabulary. Vendredi Vocabulary is all about, hey, you guessed it, vocabulary, French vocabulary to be precise. And it's a weekly show on Just French It where we are learning a bit of vocabulary every week. And this week we are going to learn about different ways to say boring in French. But before we dive in, if you want to have more French lessons like this, if you want to get notified each time I publish a podcast, a blog post, a free PDF, and all those different things, you should sign up for the emails. It's a daily email that I send, so you get daily tips, daily lessons to take your French to the next level. Now let's dive in this specific lesson and let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ways to say boring in French. The first one is very simple and it is the word ennuyeux. Ennuyeux. C'est ennuyeux. It is boring. C'est ennuyeux. Ennuyeux is the standard way to say boring in French. Now, if you want to be a bit more casual, maybe a bit slangish, you can say chiant. You can use the word chiant. Chiant means it is making myself poo. Yeah, it's a lovely image. But anyway, it means that it is boring, very boring. C'est chiant. C'est chiant. It is boring. Now, if you don't want to be so visual, if you want something that maybe is a bit more acceptable in with certain people anyway, you can use the word barbant. Barbant, and it's used exactly the same way as all the others. If you use c'est barbant, it is boring. Now, if you want to be visual, but not dirty like chiant, you can use the expression casse-pied. Casse-pied. Casse-pied literally means break foot. To break someone's foot means to be boring. Oh, it's bothering me so much that it is breaking my foot. You are doing that to me on purpose. You are breaking my foot. Tu es casse-pied. You are boring. You are annoying, actually more than boring in this case. C'est casse-pied. C'est casse-pied. Now, if you want to say that it was really boring, that you almost fell asleep, in which case you could use the word rasoir. 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 Rasoir means it was not only boring, but long as well. Rasoir. C'est rasoir. Now, if you want to say that whatever you are listening to, whatever you are watching or reading or have to work on is making you sleep, and this is literally making you sleep, you can use the scientific kind of word, soporifique. 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 C'est soporifique. C'est soporifique means it is making me sleep. Now, final word to say boring in French, it is the word enquiquinant. Enquiquinant. It is a funny word, isn't it? It sounds funny. Enquiquinant. And it means that it is boring. It's not necessarily very boring. It's just a bit more bother than anything else. It's a bit of a bother and it's a bit boring as well. So you can say c'est enquiquinant. C'est enquiquinant. I will put the spellings of all those words and in sentences in the blog post associated to this podcast, so you just have to go in the description, click on the link, and you will be taken to the blog post where you can go and check out the spellings of all those words. That's it for me for today. I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye-bye!